Exactly. Every H spot.
Yeah,
Let's
well,
see.
I've got you beat in that good.
I don't know about that. Let's see. Let me figure out where I am. Okay. So, oh, that's nice. They blend in together. That's nice. Oh, here we go. So this one's okay. And this one's okay.
Was there
It's
another
right
drop
here.
stitch? So there's a second drop stitch.
So when you see this
Yeah.
part, that's your drop stitch. So there is another one. So what we're gonna do is take. I know the noise is not the best, but how I know it's a drop stitch. You have this line of yarn right here,
Yeah.
and that's the only reason how I know it's a drop stitch. It's knitted correctly here, but we're gonna take it off. And I'm going to drop it down. So control drop stitch, basically.
Dropping it down to where I dropped it.
Exactly. So it's right there. Now I take my third needle. And my drop stitch is here, but I'm not going to touch it right now. What I want is this yarn here.
Wait, is that the drop one?
So this is my drop stitch.
Yeah, okay.
And now I'm picking up that first line of yarn, and you have to look, you'll see threads. It looks like a ladder. There's a, right there, that's a stitch, that's a stitch, that's a stitch. My first drop stitch is here. I'm intertwining the two. It's all I'm doing is bringing the active stitch over the drop stitch. Now it's an active stitch. Take that new active stitch, pick up the second drop stitch, and simply bring it over the stitch and over the top of the needle. Last one. My active stitch now is I'm moving up. My last drop stitch. My active stitch is on my left hand. I bring it over the drop stitch, which my right finger is on,
Yeah.
and then I bring it over the top of the needle. And that's it. So then, this is what was the drop stitch, and I put it back on it. Doesn't matter which needle you put it on initially. And I have one more. So right here,
Oh, why don't you let me do that one?
great. I love